Stop wasting money. Today, I'm showing you 6 vegetables you should never buy again because you can grow them easily in ordinary buckets right where you live. No farmland, no stress, no big budget, just buckets and results. Green onions are the easiest plant you will ever grow. Why you should stop buying? They regrow endlessly. One purchase can last months. How to grow? Use a 10-20 liter bucket. Fill with soil. Plant the white-rooted ends. Water lightly every 2 days. Harvest by cutting the top. They grow back. Stores sell lettuce for high prices, but you can grow your own cheaply. Why you should stop buying? Lettuce grows in low sun and matures in 3 to 4 weeks. How to grow? Use any bucket. Scatter seeds lightly. Keep soil moist. Give 3 to 4 hours of morning sun. Harvest outer leaves weekly. Spinach grows almost too easily. Why you should stop buying? A single bucket gives continuous harvest for months. How to grow? Plant seeds, 1 inch apart. Water every 2-3 days. Fertilize lightly every 2 weeks. Harvest by cutting leaves from the outside. Basil is one of the most rewarding herbs for container gardeners. Why you should stop buying? It grows like a weed and produces non-stop. How to grow? Plant seeds or cuttings. Give 4 to 6 hours sun trim often to prevent flowering. Use in stews, teas, soups. Store tomatoes are expensive and tasteless. Grow your own. Why you should stop buying? Bucket-grown tomatoes produce up to 50-100 fruits per plant. How to grow? Use 20-30 L bucket stake early. Keep in full sun. Fertilize every 2 weeks. Water deeply, not daily. Peppers are perfect for buckets and extremely productive. Why you should stop buying? 1 bucket pepper plant can feed a household weekly. How to grow? Plant seedlings. Full sun water every 2 to 3 days. Harvest regularly to stimulate new fruits. You don't need a big farm. You don't need big money. You just need 1 bucket to get started. If you want more videos like this, tips, step-by-step guides, and what to plant this month, hit like, subscribe, and comment. I'm ready.